If you love burgers and Cajun food, then I promise you, you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, last week hubby and I went out to dinner. We had like a lot of errands to run that day, and it was really late in the day, and we decided to go to this restaurant called the Ale House that's near us, and we've been there a couple times. I never, ever, ever order burgers out. Burgers and steak are the two things I never purchase at a restaurant. But for some reason, I was reading the menu and I saw this burger and it just sounded so good to me at that time. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and order it. Well, I tell you, it was one of the best burgers I ever had. And it's called the Ale House Cajun Burger. I'm going to try to do a copycat of it. I looked at the ingredients and all. I'm sure it's not going to taste as great as that one because I'm telling you, it was just so good. But anyway, I'm going to try to do a copycat recipe today. Hubby said he is willing to try it because he does like spicy food. My son, I'm just going to do regular burgers for him. So I'm going to do, you know, a small batch of this. But I'm going to quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll go ahead and mix up the meat and get that ready. Hubby's going to cook it on the grill. That is something that I do not do, by the way. I do not cook on the grill. I'm just not a fan of it. I don't want to say I'm afraid of it, but I don't know what it is. I cook on a gas stove, but the grill is a little intimidating for me. So he does all the grilling, but I'll show you, you know, him throwing it on, no big deal. But anyway, let me stop talking because I'm rambling. Let's go over all the ingredients now. Alrighty, we have some black pepper, sea salt, Cajun seasoning. I bought the potato rolls. They actually are a little bit better for me as a diabetic. The carbs and sugar is a lot lower than most rolls. But friends, if you can use brioche buns, I would go with the brioche buns because that's what I personally would have done if I didn't have to worry about it. I have some jalapeno peppers sliced, hot jalapeno peppers sliced in the jar, some butter. I have a pound of ground beef, and I have a block of pepperjack cheese. I'm just going to slice some off of there and put it on there instead of buying the, you know, sandwich type slices. And I have some andouille smoked sausage and a red pepper. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and mix up our ground beef. When I was going over the ingredients, I said a pound of ground beef. It's actually a pound and a half of ground beef, not a pound. So I just want to make sure I mention that. Now I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And then we're just going to add a little bit of pepper and salt for taste. I'm just using about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And that's all we're doing for the patties. So I just have myself a little plate here, and let's go ahead and mix this up. I usually like wearing gloves and I ran out, so I gotta use my hands. I don't know why I do not like mixing ground beef up without gloves or patties up. Still a little tiny frozen spot. Friends, this is so delicious. If you love Cajun food and spicy, oh my goodness, I'm hoping these come out to be very close. Now let's go ahead and make our patties real quick. I actually have a little patty maker, but we're not using that today. Let's see. So we're going to make 4 hamburgers out of this. My son does not care for all this spice, so I just have some extra ground beef out for him. And I'm going to make him a bacon cheeseburger. Okay. I'm going to flatten this other one out a little bit more. I like to make them up my hamburgers up a little bit earlier, just because I like for the flavors to, you know, meld there. Alrighty. Okay, let me go ahead and wash up, and then we'll go ahead and slice up our smoked sausage and all that. Alrighty, so I have my block of cheese, and like I said, you can buy the already sandwich slices of cheese at the deli, but I had this big block in the fridge, so I was not going to do that. So I just slice 3 slices per hamburger. Oh, not that thin. Let me just kind of, oops. Now I just need two per hamburger. And so I need 6 slices. Like I said, just slice them down. Four hamburgers. So I need 8 slices. Alrighty, so I have my cheese sliced. And I just put this right on the plate with the hamburgers, and hubby will put the cheese on when the time comes. Alrighty, I'll eat this thin slice. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our pepper. Alrighty. So I think I'm just doing 1 per hamburger for this. So these are done. I'm gonna have him throw those on the grill to roast them. So, oh, this string. And normally I put it through the center, but because I'm gonna have him put it on the grill and I want them to lay flat, I'm going to put them on this way. Because normally I put onion and all on here, and I always skew them a little bit differently. But today I'm gonna skew them this way, and then he can just throw them right on the grill for me. So these are now ready to go. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to put that aside. Now I have my sausage. Open that up if I can. Oh goodness. It says easy open, but it really isn't easy open. Alrighty, no joke, it took me another several minutes to get this open. I'm not kidding. Alright, so we're going to cut this in half. And then I'm going to slice it down the middle. I'm not going to go all the way through. I want to leave it still attached. So this way you can just lay it flat and let it grill that way. And we're going to cut this one in half as well. Not all the way through. And lay that down like that. So then I have 1 for each hamburger. Alrighty, so I have the sausage here, my peppers, and then my 2 slices for each burger of the pepperjack cheese. I have my 4 burgers, and I'm going to mix up my son's burgers and put them here as well. So they are all prepped and ready to go. We do need to take some butter and some Cajun seasoning and melt it, and then we're going to put that on the roll and then just throw the roll on the grill just to toast them a little bit. Alrighty, so I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm only doing 2 buns because we're probably only going to eat 1 bun for dinner, and I don't want to put it on the bun for tomorrow if I eat it for lunch or something. So I'm just going to do 2 buns. So instead of doing 4 tablespoons that you normally would do for 4 buns, I'm doing 2. So I'm going to go ahead and melt that real quick, and then we'll add our Cajun seasoning. Alright, so we have our melted butter, and now I'm going to do a 1/2 teaspoon. Like I said, I'm cutting the recipe in half. Put that in there. Mix that up really well. I'm gonna bring my buns over and toast my buns. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and just put this right on the bun. I'm making a mess. It's gonna be so good. Yum. Alrighty, so there we have it. Now let's go ahead and go outside and get these toasted and check on those burgers. Alrighty, here's our burgers. Andouille sausage. Yum. Smelling delicious. Now we're topping the burgers with some cheese. Yum. Now we're just going to toast the buns a little bit and then we'll be ready. Alrighty, so we have the burgers are done. Hubby's on his way in with the buns. We have our peppers and our meat. So I'm just going to cut these in half now. Ooh. Just like that. Hubby's here with the buns. Thank you, hon. We got the buns all nice and toasted. So we're going to put together my hamburger. So we have our bun here. We're going to get a hamburger on here, just like that. I'm going to slice my meat in half, just like that. Where did I put my fork? There it is. I forgot about my jalapeno peppers. Yum. I'm going to put those right on top like that. I think we're going to do this right on the top there. You can use both if you wanted. I think I might go ahead and just use both since I'm only going to probably be eating one burger. We're topping it just like that. Oh my goodness, friends. Look at this burger. Look. Delicious. Alrighty, let's go do our taste test real quick. Alright, my friends, so here it is. So we're going to eat dinner real quick, but I want to do a quick taste test. Oh yeah. It is not as good as the Ale House one. I think it needs more Cajun seasoning. But friends, it's really, really good. Really good. So I'm going to go join the family and finish eating my dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok as it does greatly help me out. So friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. It's delicious, friends.